Guys, I'm Yuvaan and welcome to YUVITO. Today I'm going to be showing you some magic tricks that I learned. But first, which one do you want? Taking a coin and vanishing it? Or do you want to take it right out of your ear? However you wish. This trick I'm going to need one coin, that's it. I'm going to act as if I'm taking it but make it fall right into my hand and place it at a correct angle so that when it falls into my hand, I can act as if nothing is there and then make it disappear. For the next trick, now I'm going to vanish the coin right into my hand. Now, let's see, where could this coin be, right? So now, I'm just going to put it right out of the same hand. Now, there are many ways you can do it. Now, there is one way you can do this, is watch from the sides. Putting my fingers inside the hand, putting my card at the coin at the back and showing that it's vanished. Taking the coin out, now it's easy to realize. Just put your hand back in and do the same process reversed. This trick was very easy and comparatively much more magnificent compared to the older trick. Let's try levitation, shall we? For the next trick, I need to take some cards. Ask you to choose one out of them. Now, in this case, I can't read your mind directly, but I can ask you. But I can take out a card right from here. Let's see. This card. Let's memorize it. Now, let's see. Your cards are shuffled, but I'm going to take your card right out of here in 1, 2, 3. So is this your card? Of course it is. Now let's try this trick. First, I'm going to fan out all the cards in my deck. I'm going to ask you to choose one. For now, let's choose the same card we had chosen earlier. This one, Mewtwo. So now, see, when I put this card back in the deck, I make sure it's always the top. Now, to do the levitation part, all I have to do, keep all fingers, nearly all, in a rough position except your pinky finger. It should right be here. Put it down, make the card come right out. Catch it and show it to the audience. For my next levitation trick, I'm going to take a Charizard card and make it levitate. Right? How fun was that? Fun with that. Check this trick again out. Charizard card, make it levitate. If you do this at a surprising moment, it looks kind of like this. That's good, isn't it? So all you have to do is to place a tape on your thumb. and keep your thumb like this in a very relaxed position, but where you can see the thumb at a certain angle. Show the card to everyone. Then bring your other arm close to this one. Hold it. The tape will automatically stick on the card. Then it's easy to make it levitate. That's it. So that's all for now. Bye bye, and watch and subscribe my videos.